All right, I'm going to show you how to use copyright-free music from YouTube in a Final Cut Pro project. First, go to Audio Library. Click on it. You see it's highlighted in red. Then we're going to go and we're going to pick a song. I'm going to take this one right here, Satya Yuga, and I'm going to click on it. It's going to download it. Now it's in my downloads right here. It's also in right here in my iTunes library, and I turn it off like that because I don't want to play them while I'm doing it. I'm going to go ahead and click that out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this over. I'm going to come down to my downloads. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to pull this to my desktop. Then I'm going to open up Final Cut Pro, and then I'm going to find, we're going to put it under a project. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this project right here. And then I'm going to take this song, which is 11 minutes long, I'm going to pull it in here. I'm just going to drop and drag it. And drop and drag means you click on it and then just pull it in. And we're going to go all the way to the edge here. Now, there it is. It's in here. I'm going to pull this sound down, and then you can hear it. Kind of starts slow. Just brought the sound up by pulling this little. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm going to go pull all this down so you don't hear any of this wind. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm just going to cut it by hitting B. And then I'm going to go over here, A. I'm going to delete that, delete this. And then I'm going to pull this all the way over like that. Pull this in. And bam, then I got my fade out. And that's how you pull a copyright-free song into a Final Cut Pro project. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.